This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon tattoo printer. This innovative device allows you to create and apply temporary tattoos with ease, bringing your creative ideas to life on your skin. We'll go over everything from the initial setup and preparing your device to designing your perfect tattoo and the simple application process. Finally, I'll share some essential tips for maintaining your printer and ensuring your temporary tattoos look great and last longer. Get ready to explore the fun and versatility of temporary body art. Getting started with your Amazon tattoo printer is straightforward. First, carefully unbox your device and ensure all components are present, including the printer, ink cartridges, and any included skin preparation materials. Charge the printer fully before its first use, which typically takes a few hours. Next, prepare the area of skin where you plan to apply the tattoo by cleaning it thoroughly with soap and water, then drying it completely. This ensures optimal adhesion and a crisp print. Make sure to insert the ink cartridge correctly following the manufacturer's instructions. Now for the fun part, designing and printing your tattoo. You can choose from a vast library of pre-existing designs within the companion app or unleash your creativity by uploading your own custom artwork. Once your design is finalized, connect your printer to the app via Bluetooth. Position the printer gently on your prepared skin, ensuring it's flat and stable. With a simple tap in the app, the printer will precisely apply your chosen design. It's a quick and mess-free process, giving you a beautiful temporary tattoo in mere moments. To keep your Amazon tattoo printer in top condition and your tattoos looking their best, proper maintenance is key. After each use, gently wipe the printer's print head with a soft, damp cloth to prevent ink buildup. Store the device in a cool, dry place and ensure the ink cartridge is properly sealed to prevent drying. For your temporary tattoos, avoid excessive scrubbing or prolonged water exposure to extend their lifespan, which can be up to 2 weeks. Following these simple steps will ensure many enjoyable tattoo experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.